Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn that how you can lock the Google Authenticator application. So guys, if you have installed Google Authenticator and you're using it for other devices for security reason, but if there is no lock on your Google Authenticator app, so anybody can access to it, so how are you going to lock it? Once you open the Google Authenticator application, all you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From here, you need to go to settings, and in settings you will find privacy screen. All you need to do is to enable that one. Once you enable that one, they say when privacy screen is enabled, access to this app will be restricted by your screen lock, PIN or biometric. So all you need to do is to scan your finger. You can use your Face ID as well. Now if you tap here, you can require unlock after app is invisible immediately, after 10 seconds, after 1 minute, or after 10 minutes. It depends on your preference. You can choose immediately, so I will keep it as immediately. So once I go out of the application, I will open it again, and now as you can see, it needs a fingerprint. You can use your Face ID as well, or I can use the pattern as well. So guys, this is all it takes to lock your Google Authenticator application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.